Hey guys, it's Derrick White here from TopEnhancementReviews.com. I'm making this video because a lot of guys want to see some Bathmate gains before they actually purchase the device, meaning they want to check out other before and after photos and whatnot. You can check out my website in the corner of the video. That I'll be consistently updating it with more before and after photos. You can check out one of the many forums on the internet, and I'll put a link below to the Bathmate official website where you can see some before and after photos from guys who have successfully used the device. I also want to add that at the time of making this video, the Bathmate HydroMax X40 has been released, and it has a ton of added features. I believe I've heard whisper of Bathmate HydroMax X40 X Extreme coming to the market, or something similar to that name, so you can check that out fairly soon. It has a load of added features, increased suction, bigger size. You can check that out through the link below. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, leave a comment below the video or send me a PM on YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, I will talk to you guys later.